Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Wednesday morning, it is the 18th day of April. I'm glad you're here. And at 3:50 in the morning, temperatures are in the middle 50s, so not nearly as chilly as it has been on past mornings. We're headed for the 80s today, but we have a strong cold front on the way tonight. And usually when I say strong cold front, that means storms, right? In the springtime, but not in this case. I think the moisture is very limited, so it may come through as a dry front. We'll talk about the big cool down for tomorrow night, and Friday. We'll focus on the weekend forecast. I think Saturday is fine, but we have a storm system coming in Sunday. Right now, I think the severe weather threat is minimal, probably zero, maybe, on this storm system coming in. So let's bring you up to date. I'm glad you're here this morning.
I think today will be the warmest day of the week with a pretty nice day. High temperatures into the 80s. You see that frontal system around Memphis at 1 p.m. It's mainly a dry front. There could be a few sprinkles, maybe a light shower as it moves through in the middle of the night, but I don't think it's going to be a big deal. It will turn breezy and cooler back behind it, but today is a warm day. And look at that, 80s across, all the way from Texas to around North Carolina. During the day today, with a high around 84 and tonight's low 59. The wind southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour will pick up a little bit later on in the day, but I think it's going to be a good day. Then breezy, much cooler behind the front. High temperatures barely in the low 70s, but the breeze will make it seem cooler than that. And by Friday morning, I think we're in the middle 40s. A couple of the models even take us colder than that. Maybe some record highs up there to the north in the Great Lakes on Friday morning. So another slap in the face, but not too bad this time. A cold start on Friday morning, a cool day, but a nice day Friday, and then more warmer on Saturday. I think we're in the mid to upper 70s on Saturday. Should be a dry day if you have plans for outdoor festivals. Now, here's the GFS. It brings the showers and the rain in on Sunday morning, and I don't think there's going to be much thunder involved, and certainly no severe weather is expected. This is Sunday afternoon, and just a wet day and kind of a cool day as well for so late in the season. Now we're looking ahead, and we're seeing on Monday morning the low is right over central Alabama, so the threat of a few showers continues on Monday as well, and perhaps even into Monday evening, and maybe even a leftover shower early in the day on Tuesday, but then we start to dry out after that. And I think Tuesday is too cool for April, but we will start to recover by the middle of the week. So let's look at rainfall potential. I think a lot of us could see 1 to 2 inches of rain, and that's a good thing. 2 inches plus perhaps in west central Alabama, near an inch across the northern counties. And here's a review of temperatures. I've got us at 71 tomorrow, but a breezy day will make it seem cooler than a very cold Friday morning for this late in the season. 72 the high, then upper 70s on Saturday. The rain comes in on Sunday and Sunday night and into Monday with temperatures in the middle 70s perhaps on Monday. The beach forecast for the beaches from Gulf Shores to Panama City showing a cool day Friday with a high around 71. And then a breezy day, too. Saturday's breezy, chance of a shower by Saturday night, and a good chance of rain Sunday. Water temperature now at 73. Here's the European out 10 days. It shows the warmest day is today. Then that big temperature setback with temperatures reaching the coldest morning is Friday morning. And then we start to level off. Another storm system Sunday night into Monday. It only has 60s for a high on Thursday and Friday. And, that's probably a little overdone, but you get the point. And then the coldest morning, Friday morning, and then temperatures will level off after that. Here's the GFS out 16 days, and I want to show you this. It's got the warmest day today. It's got the coldest morning, Friday morning. But notice what it does late month, I should say, and into the early part of May. It looks like we start to really warm up, and I think that's it. We're done with the temperature setbacks, and we get into an extended period of warm weather late in April and into May.
So maybe a couple of more temperature setbacks in April before we are probably home free. And I think we'll start to really warm up dramatically late month and into our early part of May. Have a great day today. Live on the radio this morning, of course, on News Talk 93.1 with Greg J. Emily, and that dog wandering around out there somewhere. That would be Bailey. I hope you have a good day. Your forecast across the dial whenever you want it on the Blue Water family of stations, twice an hour, all day, 256 times, and another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at about 4:45 a.m. Have a good day today. It's going to the 80s. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.